KOFI versus Buy Me a Coffee. Which one is better? I'm going to tell you which platform, KOFI or Buy Me a Coffee, is better for creators looking to earn money online. KOFI is a versatile, creator-friendly platform that allows one-time donations, memberships, and even a built-in store to sell digital or physical products. It doesn't take a cut from donations, making it a great choice for small creators who want to maximize earnings. However, some features like recurring memberships require a Ko-Fi Gold subscription. Buy Me a Coffee is a simpler, streamlined platform designed for quick and easy tippings. It supports one-time donations, memberships, and extras like digital downloads. Unlike Ko-Fi, takes a small transaction fee of 5%, but it doesn't require a paid plan for memberships. If you want a free platform with a store and no fees on donations, Ko-Fi is the better choice. But if you prefer a simple, hassle-free way to accept tips and memberships, Buy Me a Coffee might be the way to go.